Hello all, I'm Rose, working at the Center for Career Opportunities at Purdue University. Today, my colleagues and I will be talking about the services offered at the CCO. CCO is a centralized career center for the Purdue University West Lafayette campus. We operate all year round and serve students from all degree levels across all majors. We also provide services to alumni, employers, and faculty and staff. This short video will focus on our services for students and campus partners. For other stakeholders, please check out how we can serve you on the designated sections from our website at www.cco.purdue.edu. Our staff provide consulting and coaching sessions on a range of career topics. Typically, our career consultant will work with you on topics such as exploring your interests and careers, creating individualized job search plans, negotiating job offers, applying for graduate school, and more. Our pre-professional advisors will work with you on everything related to applying to professional schools and careers, especially healthcare and legal professions. Learn more about our team via the staff link on the top of our website. Follow us on social media platforms to stay connected. If you are a current student, check your email inbox and look for our newsletter Inside Track. You can always reach us at cco@purdue.edu or call us at 765-494-3981 for any questions regarding our services. In the description of this YouTube video, you can see timestamps for the overview of different CCO services. Now I'm going to hand over the baton to my colleague, Cristy Gosney, to talk about the services we provide on pre-professional school preparation and application.
Thanks, Rose. Hi, this is Cristy Gosney. I'm going to talk about pre-professional advising services. Our advisors assist students and alumni who are interested in careers in healthcare or law as they explore career options, prepare themselves to be competitive applicants, and submit their applications. Current students can schedule appointments with any of our 3 advisors using Boiler Connect. Alumni may call 765-494-3981 or email us at preprofessional@purdue.edu. We offer 2 classes each semester. Bio 396 Pre-Med Health Seminar is for students who are about to apply to healthcare programs, usually juniors and seniors, who want an in-depth look at the application process. GS 490 Law School Exploration is for students of any year who are contemplating law school. Through lectures and guest speakers, you'll learn more about the career and law school application process. We offer a letter of recommendation collection service for pre-med and dent students. We collect and upload your letters of recommendation to the application services and hold on to letters for 5 application cycles. Each spring, we host the Health Programs Expo, an event that brings representatives from nearly 100 healthcare degree programs to campus. This is your opportunity to explore programs and find one that's right for you. Visit us at our website, purdue.edu pre-professional, for more information about our services and sign up for our monthly newsletter while you're there. Now that we've learned about pre-professional advising services, Stephen is going to cover digital resources.
Thanks, Cristy. Here you can see the CCO on-demand resources. These are digital resources that you have access to 24/7. At the top of this list, you see My CCO. My CCO is your one-stop shop for jobs and career fairs this fall. If you're looking to apply to internships or full-time positions, get into your My CCO account and start looking and applying right away. Next, we've got VMOC. VMOC is a resume review platform that you can utilize to get instant feedback on your resumes. Next, we've got Big Interview. Big Interview is a great platform that will help you practice and prepare for those interviews that you're going to have here in the near future. You can also record your practice interviews and send those to your peers or mentors to get feedback on how you interview. Next, we've got Road Trip Nation. This is a platform that hosts a variety of videos that will help you to explore career possibilities in a variety of fields. Next, we've got What Can I Do with This Major? This website's great to explore how you can apply what you're learning in a variety of majors here at Purdue to a multitude of different career paths. Next, we've got our First Destination survey data. This survey data can help you get insights into salaries that you might expect from certain fields after you've graduated from Purdue, and of course, the top 25 employers for a variety of majors here at Purdue. Next, we've got Upkey. Upkey is a fun and interactive tool that can help you develop your resume from zero. If you've never built a resume before and you have no idea what you're doing, this tool will walk you through step by step in making that first resume. It can also help you prepare a really robust and meaningful elevator pitch. Finally, we've got Career Spots. These short videos will help you prepare for a variety of occupations. Beyond the digital resources that I've already mentioned, you can also find several other resources on our website, including the CCO Handbook, which has detailed information on resumes, cover letters, and interviewing. You can also find the Career Research Portal. Here you can see a snippet of what that looks like. The first step would be to explore potential career paths, consider a variety of information, search for internships, jobs, and international student resources, and 4, land the job. Finally, I encourage you to also connect with our blog, podcast, and the Inside Track. These resources provide relevant and recent information that can be extremely useful for you in your job hunt. Now I'm going to hand this off to Amruta.
Thanks, Stephen. So, hi everyone, this is Amruta, and I'm going to talk to you all about the CCO's one-on-one services, our 30 or 60-minute appointments, and our 10 to 15-minute quick chats. Almost all of these one-on-one services are being offered virtually in fall 2020. So, appointments first. We offer appointments from Monday through Friday between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. You can make an appointment via Boiler Connect or by calling 765-494-3981. The appointment topics are career or major exploration. Make this 60-minute appointment if you want to discuss choosing or changing your major or developing a career plan. Job search strategies is a 30-minute appointment during which we can focus on various aspects of the job search. But we do not offer resume or LinkedIn reviews during this appointment. Mock interviews. Undergraduates can make 30-minute appointments with our student professionals via Boiler Connect. And graduate students can make a 60-minute appointment with a career consultant. Graduate students must complete a big interview video before calling 765-494-3981 to schedule their appointment. Look for details on our website. Graduate school planning is a 30-minute appointment if you are considering questions like, should I apply to graduate school for a master's or a PhD? Who do I need to talk to? How do I ensure I'm a competitive candidate? Questions like that. We also offer a graduate school personal statement appointment. You can make this 30-minute appointment if you would like to discuss what to include in a statement of purpose, or if you would like us to review drafts of your statement. And finally, PhD student career planning appointments. Make this 60-minute appointment if you want to explore the diverse careers your advanced degree can prepare you for. Specifically, careers beyond academia such as industry, nonprofit, or federal careers. We will work with you to identify transferable skills and develop a job search strategy for such careers. You can also use this appointment for a review of some of your tenure track application materials, your CV and cover letter, your teaching philosophy, and your diversity statement. The CCO also offers 10 to 15-minute quick chats for immediate job search needs, which are a modified version of what used to be called drop-ins. In fall 2020, we are offering limited in-person and more expansive virtual options between 1 to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. You can actually schedule a quick chats interaction via Boiler Connect this semester. Use this service if you would like us to review a career document like a resume, CV, or cover letter, or if you have quick questions about your job search or job offer negotiations. For all of these services, we strongly encourage you to look at the What We Offer page on the CCO website for more specific details. So with that, you now have an overview of our one-on-one services, and now I'll hand over to Shayna to talk more about our workshops.
Thanks, Amruta. Hi, my name is Shayna Partlow, and I'm going to talk about our workshops. The CCO offers workshops on a range of topics to help you master various career concerns. A CCO representative will come to your class, event, student organization group, etc., and present on a topic of your choosing. Here's a list of workshops that we offer. Fact or fiction, writing a resume that works, getting the most out of a job fair, acing the interview, A to Z of the job search, Know Who You Know, Networking, Getting What You Want, Offer Evaluation and Negotiation, My CCO, Purdue's exclusive online job board, services of the Center for Career Opportunities, Oh, the Things You Can Do, Choosing a Major, and LinkedIn Career Networking. Check out our website for more information on the various topics and what you will learn within each presentation. We also encourage you to check out our other videos to get an introduction on various topics. The CCO is happy to offer follow-up presentations or workshops that would build upon the overview provided in our videos. Workshops can be requested by faculty, staff, and students. You can access the form on our website under Invite the CCO to Speak. As you plan your request, please remember to allow at least 2 weeks' notice for requests to give us time to find a CCO representative to present to your group. You will need to include information for a contact person, email and phone number, as well as select which topic you would like to be presented. Please also include who the presentation will be for, date and time of the presentation, as well as expected attendance. Feel free to add any additional information to help us tailor our presentations to your group. If you have any questions, you can reach out to askcco@purdue.edu. Now that you know more about CCO workshops, Allison is going to talk to you about our CCO calendar. Take it away, Allison.
Thanks, Shayna. Hi, everyone. My name is Allison, and today I'm going to briefly highlight the CCO calendar. Upon visiting our website, there are 2 locations where you can find our calendar. The first location is halfway down the homepage on the right-hand side. The second location is at the very bottom of the homepage on the left-hand side. The CCO calendar is also built into our CCO biweekly newsletter, The Inside Track. Upon clicking on the calendar, you will be greeted by a list of all events that have been submitted by respected departments across campus, as well as employer-related events. The first tab lists all Purdue career fairs. After clicking on an event, you will learn about the date, time, location, or platform, as well as the targeted group of students for the event. In a similar way, the workshop, information session, online event, and university event tabs also have date, time, location, or platform utilized, as well as any details the employer or department wants you to know about prior to the event. Information sessions allow you the opportunity to learn more about an employer, the company culture, and provides time to ask questions. These information sessions are usually before a career fair, although this is not always the case. You will also want to keep in mind that some employers will ask you to register for their information session prior to the event. This helps them understand who will be attending so they can plan accordingly. As you review the variety of events listed on the calendar and want to attend several, ensure you read the finer details and make a note of these dates in your personal planner. As you have further questions about our services, do not hesitate to check out our website or call us at 765-494-3981. This concludes the services of the CCO presentation.